today's video we present VMC series machining center with 1160 by 600mm table, Fanuc 01 MF5 series control with Magic Guide software. The machine's working range is 1160mm in the x-axis, 600mm in the y-axis and 800mm in the z-axis, with an excellent positioning accuracy of 0.005 of millimeter in the xy axis and 0.008 of a millimeter in the z-axis. The machine's spindle, equipped with a separate air cooling system for a workpiece, is capable of roughing and finishing. The belt transmission provides a speed of 8,000 revolutions per minute, and the spindle itself reaches a power output from 15 up to 18 kilowatts. It is also possible to install a self-cooling electric spindle with direct transmission that reaches a speed of 12,000 revolutions per minute. The indexing head will allow machining of gears and other rotating parts. It is the fourth axis of the machine. It is worth mentioning about the possibility of extending the dividing head with a holder. Thanks to this innovative solution, the machine gains an additional working semi-axis, which allows the workpiece to be machined in 4.5 axes in total. In addition, fast travel ball screws were installed in all axes of the machine. The travel movement can be steered by a handwheel pulse generator, which is a controller equipped with the necessary functions and an additional safety switch. The work table has 5 18mm T slots for ergonomic workpiece clamping. In addition to emulsion cooling, there is the option of air cooling, which further enhances the removal of debris from the machining area. The chips are picked up by two pairs of auger conveyors and moved to an ejector that removes them from the work area. In order to maintain a high work culture, the operator can easily clean the milling zone with an air or water gun. The vertical ATM can store up to 30 tools with a maximum weight of 15 kilograms each, the replacement of which is facilitated by a feeder installed at the magazine. The position of the workpiece is read using a range show sensor. The formation of hazardous oil mist is mitigated by a built-in collector, and the emulsion itself is cooled by a chiller, filtered and delivered by a pressure pump with a capacity of up to 20 bar. The oil separator cleans the emulsion of dirt, bacteria and lubricants. The oil separator cleans the emulsion of dirt, bacteria and lubricants. A central lubrication system makes it easy to get grease to key components, significantly reducing maintenance time and extending machine life. The Otinus machining center has a world-renowned Fanuc control with an OI FM5 series model with manual guide graphic software. It allows to see a graphical representation of the tool range and working function. The control cabinet is air-conditioned, which improves the life of electrical components and is equipped with a machine start locking system. Operator safety is ensured with 3 emergency switches. The front and side doors are equipped with power of limit switches that prevent the spindle from rotating until the door is closed.